In today's video, I am going to teach you how to install WordPress on Godaddy website. First, log into your Godaddy account. Make sure you are using the correct account that has your hosting plan connected to it. Once you are signed in, go to your My Products page. This is where Godaddy keeps all of your services in one place, so it is the easiest place to begin when you want to set up a new website. On the My Products page, scroll down until you find the web hosting section. In that area, click on Hosting and WordPress. This will take you into the hosting dashboard, where you can manage your site and create a new WordPress installation. After that, look for the option to create a WordPress site. Click Create WP Site, and then choose the option to create a new WordPress site. This is the part where Godaddy starts preparing the setup for you. The platform is designed to make installation simple, so you do not need to manually upload WordPress files or configure the database yourself. Next, you will be asked to choose a username. Take a moment here and pick a username that is easy for you to remember, but not too simple. This username will be used to access your WordPress dashboard later, so it is important to choose something secure and professional. If you are creating this site for a business or brand, it is usually a good idea to keep the username clean and straightforward. Once you have entered the username, click Create My Site. At this point, Godaddy will begin building your new WordPress website. This can take a little time, so be patient while the system finishes the setup. During this stage, the hosting account and WordPress installation are being connected and configured in the background. When the process is complete, your WordPress site will be ready to use. From there, you can move on to logging into WordPress, choosing a theme, customizing your design, and starting to add your content. The main goal for now is simply getting the installation done correctly, and Godaddy makes that process fairly quick. If you follow these steps carefully, you should have your WordPress site installed without much trouble. That covers everything you need to know.